Today I'm going to make chicken salad stuffed shells for a nice summer lunch. I'm going to start by using a rotisserie chicken, already cooked. I'm going to use some pasta shells. These are the jumbo shells, which I already started boiling them. And we're going to use some chopped up celery, some scallions, a little mayonnaise, dillweed, paprika, and then we're going to top it off with some sweet vidalia onion salad dressing. So I'm going to start by cutting up the vegetables into real thin slices, and then we'll cut the chicken up and get this dish going. We're just going to do real thin slices of celery, so that like you would when you usually make tuna salad or something like that, a little bit. Break them apart and put them into a mixing dish. Now the scallions, we're just going to cut off the roots here. And I'm just going to cut part way up. I know we can use a lot of the stem, but I'll probably use some of that later for soup. For the salad today, I'm just going to use the very bottom of the bulb. Alright, next we're going to tear apart the rotisserie chicken. Now this one came from Weiss's. I think they do a nice job. So I'm just going to take a big chunk of the breast meat off for this. We're still going to have some more parts of this chicken left for something else. But for now, I'm going to make about 6 or 8 shells. So we don't need too much. You can make your own chicken if you'd like to. Just have cooked chicken ready if you're going to do that. This is already cooled off, so it's going to be nice to put into a chilled salad. Nice chunks like this. This is one quick way to get a meal on the table. Just come home with the chicken nice and fresh and already made. Alright, you can see how fast this is going. All right, let me just clean up here a little and I'll be right back. Alright, to the chopped ingredients, I'm going to add some mayonnaise. Now this is to suit your taste of how creamy you like your salads to be. So just adjust like you would like a tuna salad to be, or a chicken salad. That's how much you want to use. So as we start mixing, I'm going to add a little bit of dill, about a 1/4 teaspoon of dill. And I'm also going to add a little bit of paprika, about the same. Just going to blend this together. Now if you like your chicken salad to be very finely ground, you can actually use a chopper for this, but I think, to me, I just like bigger chunks. Once you get this nicely mixed together, I'm going to take the noodles. These are the shells that have already been boiled, and so they're nice and soft. And I rinsed them in cold water, so they have a nice cold start too. And I'm just going to take a tomato here for a little garnish on the plate that we're going to use. So I'm going to put a couple of tomato slices on the side. You can use some salad if you would like to have some lettuce leaves on the side. But for this, I'm going to put the tomato slices on there, and we're going to stuff each one of the shells. Make sure you have a nice mixture of chicken and celery and scallions. There we go. And we're going to Place these on the plate. I think a serving of 3 shells is nice for each individual at the table. This makes a nice patio luncheon. So we can fit these in here. There we go. Alright, now I'm just going to take some of the vidalia onion salad dressing and drizzle it onto the top of the shells and over the tomatoes. Something like that. Now this is all ready to serve, seasoned and ready to go. You can give this to your guests with a fork and knife and they can dig right in. Alright, think of that for summer brunch or summer lunch and enjoy the recipe. I hope you get a chance to try it. Thanks.